Brittany Hodak live at Imagine 2019. Thank you for tuning in to Adobe's first ever LinkedIn live stream. I'm here with Peter Sheldon. Peter's the Senior Director of Strategy at Adobe, and we're going to be sharing some fun tips and announcements for those of you who weren't able to join us live today in Las Vegas.
Hey Brittany, thanks for having us.
Hey Peter, thank you so much for being here. So I understand there are a lot of exciting announcements that are going to happen today. Let's give everybody tuning in on LinkedIn Live just a taste.
Yeah, absolutely. So there's three big things that we're announcing today, and we can talk about them.
Okay.
The first of them is a really exciting integration that we've developed between the Magento platform and Amazon. We call this the Amazon Sales Channel. It's really, if you think about our merchant base today, they're not just selling on their own digital properties on their mobile site and their desktop site. Increasingly they're selling through many different channels, and Amazon is obviously such a big influential sales channel for them. So we've built an integration into the Amazon marketplaces so that our merchants directly from within Magento, where they're used to managing their product catalog and their pricing, can now publish their catalog out to Amazon and control what they're selling through Amazon. They can configure sophisticated repricing rules to better enable their strategies to win the buy box. So it's really exciting. It's going to empower our merchants to generate incremental revenue and further their strategy beyond just the confinements of their own digital properties.
Right. And from what I understand, it's totally customizable, right? So
yeah,
that same Magento interface that they're used to, they can set exactly what categories they want to be in, what products they want to
That's right. Yeah, that's right. We've tried to make it really easy for the merchants and build it natively into the Magento experience. So they don't have to use multiple tools. Just the tools that they're already used to using for managing their Magento store, they can just now determine which categories, which products, and they also want to sell on Amazon. So the whole goal is to be make it easy for them.
Great. And then of course the user experience is going to continue to be improved through this, which is really what it's all about, right? It's creating those shoppable moments.
That's right, yeah. I mean, we talk a lot at Adobe about making every moment personal and making every experience shoppable, and this is really what it's about. In today's world where we've got just more and more digital interaction channels where merchants are discovering and finding and learning about new brands and products and services. We're not always expecting them to buy on the brand's website anymore. E-commerce is evolving, and so we want to make sure that merchants are empowered to be able to buy in that moment, where they discover and they find a brand and make that sort of spontaneous purchase. And it doesn't have, it can be on a social platform, it can be on Amazon. It doesn't have to be on the website.
Great. And how soon will customers be able to use this new feature?
Yeah, it's available now. So it's been in what we call an early adopter program for a number of months. So we've had a lot of customers using it and providing great feedback, and now it's available to all Magento merchants.